I'm ready. I'm Steve.
And I'm Janet.
And this is Steve and Janet trying stuff. And that's butterfly. But y'all probably know that if you've seen these before. Now, we have chips. I know a lot of people go, you guys try a lot of chips. You guys try, do you ever try anything else? Well, yeah, we do, but we like chips a lot.
There's so many different varieties, and this time of year they come out with the Taste of America. And you can vote on your favorites, and these are two that I picked up at Walgreens.
Yes.
So we've got the first one, bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, you sure you want to go spicy first?
Yes. Okay. I don't think anything will be as spicy as that what you made me try from Austin.
Okay.
They're massive.
Ooh, look, butterfly.
Salty, crunchy.
Mmm, they are massive, aren't they?
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Very flavorful.
That's really flavorful. That's got a great taste.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
I don't taste the jalapeno.
I taste bacon.
But I taste the bacon.
And I taste the cream cheese.
I definitely taste, yeah.
And there's a little kick, but not bad.
Yeah. No, the kick comes later. You're right. The kick comes later because I'm used to hot stuff. The kick definitely, this is really good.
It is really good.
Mm.
We'll use this for croutons on salads.
That's a good crush that up like that.
The next one is West Coast Truffle Fries. You have a crumb in your beard. Saving it for later. Oh my gosh.
Are they massive too? Oh! They just cut the whole potato. Look, it's as big as my face.
You got potato face. Cheers.
Potato face.
Mm.
Oh.
Parmesan, sea salt, truffle oil. Mm.
This tastes fancier than the other one.
Well, this is from California.
Okay.
This is inspired from the Southwest.
Okay. This is like liberal conservative chips.
Yeah.
This is California versus, this is the blue wave against the red. I don't know, whatever, but these chips are amazing.
Mm-hmm. So both of these are winners.
They're both winners. There are no losers in the chip wars tonight. Did you like
Everyone wins.
You like them both?
I do.
Okay. Get some. Let us know. Did you enjoy the video? I hope so. And share with your friends. And what else do we need to tell them to do?
Love us.
Oh, love us. No, like it. Like the video. Like it and share it. That's it. All right, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. You want some?
You got crumbs in your head.
Mm.
I'm not eating that.
I'm not hungry.
Bad.